welcome everybody this afternoon to Paha on a Friday. We have Tanioka's Seafood and Catering that provided some of the Ono snacks that you have that's going around. We're offering red wine and white wine as well as Prosecco. And then separately, we actually signed on with Maui Brewing Company as a beer partner, and they're doing a tasting back there. But we'll also be bringing that around. And starting next month, we'll have their signature Bikini Blonde Lager that will be served on all of our flights across all of our routes. We have Kavika Kahiapo here, and he brought along a few of his friends. He is a very talented musician. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Mahalo.
Song for East Oahu called Nani Vale Kualoa. Nani vale kualoa I ka lauloa I ke aiwa o ke kumupalila A me mokoli I ualana I ke kai Mahalo au I ka nania o kualoa Mahalo au I ka nania o kualoa Ka'awa I ka lihine I ke kai E nanea e au I ke one kahakai Pākolona he ke ahe holo pali Oha oha I ka malua o ka'awa Oha oha I ka malua o ka'awa Ai ala ka hana ulu vehi vehi O ai ia e na pali anu hea I ke ane malua lua ki iwai O ohihi ka I ke na o ka hana O ohihi ka I ke na o ka hana Holuna pe o ka niu Ona ona I ka pua o ka hina anō Ki hapai pua o lumahi e hie Hano hano e ka laia o punalu Hano hano e ka laia o punalu Haina ku'umele puanda nei Hie vale ka pali ko o lau A me mokoli I ualana I ke kai Mahalo au I ka nania o kualoa Mahalo au I ka nania o kualoa Mahalo au I ka nania o kualoa Song for East Oahu Nani wale kualoa.